So let's start with the question number 3 of 25 June. So we know here the base theory, this is for the integration. So the base theory would be if you are differentiating x to the power n dx. So what we would get is we're gonna get x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So there will be a c, but you can, if the range is given, so we can ignore the c as well. Okay, so here what we have is this value, so which is either way. Okay, let's, before doing any integration step, we want to simplify our y equation. Here it's x plus 3 whole thing squared divided by 3 root x. First of all, what is this x plus 3 squared? So that is going to be x squared plus 6x plus 9. So you divide it by 3 root x. Now you know you can do the division for every place, as we know x squared is, this is going to be, so you can take the whole thing divisible. We know root x is going to be x to the power half. So whenever you are doing it each one separately, you can do 3x to the power half and you get 6x. You can also divide this also by x to the power half, and you have 9 here, which also you can get with x to the power half. Here we have 1 over 3 x. We know the powers division means the subtraction, so here the power is 2 minus 1 over 2, so it's going to be 3 over 2. So similarly, you can get it as a 3 over 2 here. Here it will be, the number is 2, then next to the power 1 minus half, which is half. This will be 3x negative 1 over 2, because we know this power will come up. Great. So once you have the y as this, now let's go for integration. So in this integration, you're going to integrate 1 over 3x 3 over 2 plus 2x 1 over 2 plus 3x negative 1 over 2 dx. This is our question now. So we know that's going to be 1 over 3 is there according to our base theory written in red, so it will be always plus 1. If I check in this thing, that would be 3 over 2 plus 1, so it's going to be 5 over 2. So we will have like that the addition for all the powers. It's 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 plus 2 x 1 plus half, which is 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus 3 to the power x. We know if we have the, if I just show that one, that's going to be half plus 1, which is 3 over 2, which I did it here, but now it's negative half plus 1 give you positive half. So it's going to be half a power divided by half. So at the end it will be C. Okay, so when we did the division, it's just a simple calculation, which would be 5 over 15 x to the power 5 over 2, and this will have 4 divided by 3, then x to the power 3 over 2 plus 6x half and the C. So this is our integration answer. Yeah, this is pretty straightforward. This is how we do this. Thank you.